In this video, I will be showing you how to organize your research threads into custom spaces in Perplexity AI. I start on the Perplexity homepage and move my cursor over to the sidebar on the left. I click on the Spaces tab to see my current organization. Since I want to start fresh, I click on the New Space button in the top right corner. A pop-up appears where I can customize my new workspace. I click through the available icons and decide on the target symbol to represent my specific goals for this collection. Next, I click into the title field and type in Files DMV to give this space a clear name. Once I'm happy with the icon and title, I click the Create button at the bottom. A sharing menu pops up, but for now, I'll just click Skip to keep this space private. Now that the space is ready, I need to add some content. I navigate back to the sidebar and click on History to see all my previous searches. I find a thread comparing different AI models and click on it to open it up. In the top right corner of the thread, I click the three dots to open the Options menu and select Add to Space. I see a list of my available spaces, so I select the Files DMV space I just created and click Add. You can see a quick confirmation message that it was added successfully. I want to add one more project to this space, so I go back to my history and select a thread where I generated a 3D render of a robot gardener. Just like before, I click the three dots in the upper right, choose Add to Space, and select my Files DMV folder. After clicking Add, the thread is instantly organized. To finish up, I head back to the Spaces tab in the sidebar and open the Files DMV space. Now I can see both of my research threads neatly organized in one place, making it much easier to manage my different projects and stay productive. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.